Okay. Then we'll see clear. Okay. The command touch your file name to create empty file. Create empty file. Use touch command, and mainly touch commands are useful in a script writing. That expr touch commands for script writing, for some reference purpose also it is very useful. So we'll see how to create a file with a touch command. So I'm going to create a file, file1. Okay. If I want to create a multiple files, file2, file3, like this, I can create it. So we'll see other file creations. Touch file1. File1 is created. Check it whether it is created or not by using ls command. Guys, already I told the way of learning Linux is always verify, do it, and verify. So I verified. Again, I'm going to create a file2, file3. See, file2 and file3 is created. So create and verify. Okay. Now, if in case you want to create a series of files, touch file 4 to 10, file 4, file 5, file 6, like that. See, file 4, file 5, file 6, file 7, file 8, file 9, and file 10. Okay, I use touch a series 4.10. It creates file 4 to file 10 files. The content of the file is nothing. It is an empty file only. So don't worry about it. Okay. If in case I want to create a file like this, for example, different department, ECE, CSE, IT, mechanical, entc, triple E, that is enough. So five are there. Underscore, I want to create different files, like a attendance sheet. Okay. Students, exams, labs. So what happened here? These 5 having a combination: ECE attendance, ECE students, ECE exams, ECE labs, CSE attendance, CSE students, CSE exams, CXE labs. Like that. This 5 into 4, totally 20 files will be created. You want to check it? Check it, see. CSE attendance, CSE exams, CSE labs, CSE students, ECE attendance, exams, labs, students, ENTC, okay, IT, mechanical, like this also you can able to create it. Just for fun to see. Okay, so I want to show you that's wildcards. Okay, so this is empty files. When I create an empty file, I use this kind of stuff to with the wildcards. I will try to show you with this. What is this? Wildcards are very important to understand. The star represent all combination. Okay. Question mark represent single character, either alphabet is or a numbers. Meaning is two characters. A specific character or a series. This is for a range. So we'll see that kind of stuff. Look at here. I want to see all the files start with F, ls, F star. Can you able to see? All the files and directories start with the F. Okay. I put a file question mark. If you see F10, file 10, you can't able to see. Single character. Single character. ls, double character. Only file 10. Because after file, only two character kind of stuff is file 10 only. Or file 10. Okay. Star means all combinations. ls, file 1 comma 3 comma something 4, okay, 7, file 1, file 4, file 7, specific characters, ls, ece underscore star, anything after ece underscore it is playing, ls star underscore labs, see, CSE labs, ECE labs, ENTEC labs, IT labs, mechanical labs. File 3.8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, like that. Okay. So these are the main important wildcards. It's very useful in a Linux. It is very useful in a Linux. Wherever you use, like a copying multiple files, deleting multiple files, okay, or moving multiple files or directories, or querying certain files or directories or a text. These wildcards are very useful. So star means any combination. Any combination. So ls star underscore star. Anything with that particular combination. Underscore must be there. But before underscore there is a characters. After underscore there is some characters. Not specific one, but the underscore is common. Okay. Understand guys how to create a empty file and how to use a wildcards.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we know how to create a file. Just for example, I want to delete some files. I create a lot of files. Okay. That's why I want to delete the file. Otherwise, it will come like this only. Okay. How to delete a file? Remove or delete files. The command is very simple command, rm file name. Rm file name. Sometimes you required rm space -f your file name. Remove force. Force. Forcibly remove it. So don't ask you anything, it will remove. Okay. Now I want to delete rm, which is better. Yeah, file 5. See, it is asking, do you want to remove regular empty file? You have to put yes, then it will delete. Check it whether it is deleted or not. Very simple way, ls space file 5. Okay, no longer exists. I want to delete file 6. It is asking, do you want to remove empty file 6? I put no, I don't want to delete it. Then it is, see, sorry, file is there. File is there. But it is asking question, right? If I want to delete 10 files and it is 10 times, I have to give yes and yes, no kind of stuff I have to give. What I'm doing is -r f file 6. Now definitely it is removed. See, it is file is removed. -f forcibly, it won't ask you anything, just it will delete until unless it contains some information like some link is open or it is already open in some place. So it won't give you a deletion, but normally forcible deletion. Rm space -f. Okay, so this is for a deleting files. But how to delete a multiple files? File question mark or double question. You can use like that also. But here I'm hearing 5 is deleted, 6 is deleted, 7 dot 10. 7 to 10 files are I want to delete. Yeah, 10 is 7 is 7 is deleted, 10 is not deleted. That's a mistake I've done. So one is I have to put a curly brackets for ranges. Okay, now check it. File 4 is last. Okay, 7 to 10 is deleted. Okay, you can see our output like a file 4 and immediately file 8. But where is 8, 9, 10? Gone from the system. Range. Rm space -f. CSC underscore star. What happened? All combination of CSCs will be gone. CSC underscore attendance, labs, exams, students, these are all gone. I want to delete star underscore star. Okay, anything comes with underscore, it got deleted. It got deleted. Just like this. Okay. I can't save with the thing. So history. I took history. I will copy things from the history only. This is entire history. Guys, understand how to delete? Why we need a F? Why? Okay. Forcible removal. Sometimes it will ask that kind of questions, and you don't want to answer it. Okay, you are confirmed to delete. Then you can do it. And also it show you in the things. Okay, so this is not a range, right? So this is the thing. This is how to create a file, how to remove the file, and what are the wild mask. Yeah. Next point I will tell. Actually, creating files using cat command is there. That is I will tell tomorrow. Okay. Currently I'm going to create directories. I will tell directories. That is for today completed. Okay. List to list. Again, I have a 6 o'clock meeting, so I have to spend time up to now. That okay. So look at here. How to create a directories. Guys, understand or not? Why evening time people won't speak anything?
Yes, sir, understand.
Okay. Okay. So how to create a directory? Directory or a folders, everything is same only. I'm going to create a directory. Command is mkdir your directory name. Creation of directory. Okay. So next one is change directory. Change directory. Change directory means not a directory name changing. The CD is a change directory. Okay. So go to inside. Why these many calls today? 1 second. Whatever it is. Okay. CD means change directory. CD means change directory. mkdir make directory or create directory. CD change directory. Go inside the directory. Go inside the that directory. Okay. So that is CD. To come out from it, you can use cd dot dot. Just simple one only, guys. First of all, I'm going to create a directory. Directory name is data1. Okay. And check what is the content of the directory. Content ls and ls data1 and cd data1. Of course, before you do, you have to do pwd. Yeah, someone sending a message. Sir, for creating files we can use touch file. If we write only file, then what is the difference? If we write only file, meaning is touch file means file name is file. Okay, you can put anything ABC file will be created. It does not contain anything, empty file ABC. It's showing what is the property of this, what is it is contains empty file. The type command is not found. Okay. I didn't get complete question, otherwise I can tell in a different way. File is also a command. Okay, guys, one point I didn't mention when you are started with Linux and how to learn Linux and all. To do one task, we can use multiple type of commands. Sort of commands you can use. To read a file, cat command. To read a file, head command. To read a file, tail command. To read a file, more command. To read a file, less command. Like that, there are several commands are there to do a task. So that's why I told you must know what you want to do it, what kind of output you want it, what is the work you want to do it. Based on that, you can put a command. Not based on the command and learn is just like you are learning a command, not learning Linux. You want to learn Linux, you have to know what is the kind of output I want currently. Based on that, I will use the command. It purely depends upon me. Important is the desired output, we got it or not. That's very simple. Okay. So there is a lot of commands. Ocean of the commands are there. Lot of people don't know, even though after 10 years of experience, still people don't know a lot of commands. Okay. It is like a ocean type only. So first of all, we are going to create a directory. mkdir, make directory, data1, pwd, present working directory /root. After that one, you have to put a make directory, ls. So I created a data1 directory. Okay. As you ask like a file data1, it is a directory. You have a doubt like either it is a file or directory. It's a directory. Directory is created. I want to create a multiple directories. Data2, data3. I can able to create it. So you can see data2, data3 directories are created. mkdir. No. So this is how to create a directory. Next is check what is the directory content, specifically the directory content. If you put ls, it displays the current directory information. But if I go to ls space data1, it shows what is the content in the data1. Next, change directory, cd data1. My directory is changed, meaning is I went inside the directory. I'm in a root. Okay, earlier my pwd is root. Now my pwd is changed. So look at here, my pwd is /root. My pwd is root. I will show you here. Look at this. This is a /root. This is /root. If you want, you can go through that one also. See, this is data1 and other files. I want to go inside data1. So this is data1. Nothing is there. Screen not visible. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this, you have a data1, data2, data3, file1, file2, file3, ABC, and other directories also there. So I want to go inside data1. So I'm in the data1, right? I'm in the data1. Same thing I have done. CD data1. Okay, I'm in a slash root. I put a cd data1, then my directory location is changed. For example, if I create a file here, f1, f2, two files are created. See, in my current working directory, f1 and f2 is there. In my present working directory, f1 and f2 is there. Or I want to create a directory, da1. See now, da1, f1, f2 is there. Okay, data is not created in the da1. Data is created in a data1 only. Okay, this is my present working directory. In present working directory, da1, f1, f2 is there under data1 directory. I want to come out. I want to come out from here to there. For example, I want to show you before going to that one. I want to go to data2. Data2 is directory is there, but it is showing no such a file or directory. Guys, carefully listen. If you don't understand, please tell me now, or at least check today, ask me tomorrow. So here it is, data1, data2, data3 I created under root. Under root I created. Three directories are there. I went to data1 and I created a directory da1 and f1 and f2 I created. Current my pwd is this one. I am located in data1. I put a cd data2. It is difficult. Why? Because of no direct path is not there. You are not in data2 is not there in a data1. It is side by side directory. For example, look at here. Same thing only. I'm in data1. See, in data1, directory and files are there. Now I want to go to data2. How to go to data2? First of all, I have to go back, then go to data2. Understand, guys? This is data1. This is data2. I am inside a data1. I want to go to data2. Then I have to go back once. Then only I can go like this. Okay. This is data1. This is da1. Now my current location is da1. I want to go to data2. So da1 to data1, data1 to earlier slash root, and then we can go to data2. Okay. Look at here. Data1. First data1, da1 to data1 to home. Then only we can go to data2. This is the directory access related. Now I put a cd like this. Okay, and of course I done few things. And first of all, we'll take that things from here. Okay. So this is what we are done. So I created a data1, data2, data3. I check what is there in a data1 and I went inside. So now pwd is changed. Pwd is changed. So look at here. Here if you put a pwd, then you will get like this only. But when you change your directory, with directory change, you are in a data 1. I created a 2 files and a directory. So it is created under data 1. Okay. Still I am a data 1. Now I want to go to data 2. Not working. Then what to do, guys? You have to go to a one step back. Again, pwd, I'm in data 1. cd space dot dot. What is my pwd? Root. cd data 2. Now I'm in a data 2. So this is the way to go. Of course, we are not use that much of very hard way, but it is. Check the pwd is data 1. Okay. So when you put a cd dot dot, meaning is one step back. One step back means data 1 to slash root. If in case two steps you can able to take it, that's we will see later. Okay. So this is our what is our present working directory is data 2. I'm going back cd dot dot. For example, I'm in a data 1, then da1. What is my present working directory? What is my present working directory? So my present working directory is changed. Right? Okay. This is my present working directory. I want to go back to the root. How to go? 2 steps. Dot dot slash dot dot. Okay. cd dot dot slash dot dot. So what is my present working directory? This root. Why silent war is going on? Guys, this much silent I can't bear. That to evening, almost 6 o'clock. Only we have 15 minutes left. Understand, not understand, or interested, not interested.
Understand. Understand, sir.
Then, okay, so this is the directories. Can go up and all because it's a very important. At least that is step by step understanding is. So this is my present working directory, guys. So I went to data 1 and da1. See, one step only I went inside. Okay, I have a da1 under data 1. Directly I went instead of 2 steps. Now what is my present working directory? Is root data 1 da1. If I want to go back to my home directory, Just put a cd is enough. Okay, not required 2 steps back. Okay, purely depends upon what you want. So simply typing command is not Linux. Okay, what is the kind of output you want it? What do you want it? Depends upon that. You can put a commands. Okay, look at here. It is my pwd is root. Okay, I changed my directory location. I changed my directory location to data1 and da1. So directly I jumped. Then I checked my present working directory is this one. After that, I given only one simple command is cd. Then it is gave me directly /root. Direct jump to root directory. This is one way. Lot of ways are there, so don't worry about it. Okay, next. Guys, what is my pwd? Just /root. I want to create a file in data2. How to create? I have a data2, right? So ls data2. Nothing is there. Now I want to create a files in the data2. What to do? Go to data2. Then we have to create it, right? Then we have to create it. But like you have to go to cd data2. Then you have to give kind of stuff. But I'm not doing like that. I'm in a /root only. I'm going to create a file in data2 slash okay f2 1 okay f2 1 just a file ls data2. The file is created, a empty file is created. mkdir data2. I want to create da2 directory like this. ls data2. This. So you don't need to change always the location. It depends upon the requirement only. We'll change it. Otherwise, you can give the location from our command prompt only. So mkdir data2 /da2. So automatically da2 will be created under data2. Okay, see it is da2. This one created under data2. So just I'm going back. Data2 directory is created, file is created. Guys, understand up to now? Because I am going to tell last one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is deleting directories. Remove or delete directories. Tomorrow I will tell cat command, copy command kind of stuff. So copy, move. Okay, I will tell tomorrow. So to delete the directory, Rmdir, remove directory and directory name. Okay. This is a remove directory. Which type of directory it is? It will delete empty directory. If directory is empty, you can do it. So first of all, check the directory. I'm checking data3. Is data is anything is there? If nothing is there, Rmdir data3. Okay. So we'll see first that one. ls data3. Nothing is there. Rmdir data3. ls data3 is gone. See, no such a file or directory. Data3 is gone. Now I want to delete data2. How to delete data2? How to delete data2? Data2 contains the data, so you can't delete it. But we'll try Rmdir data2. What it is showing? Fail to remove data2 because directory is not empty. Directory is not empty. You can't able to delete with the Rmdir command. So the command is, here it is, rm command only, like files only, but with a -r. Okay, data2. Or you can use it rm space -rf. F means force. Okay. Delete directory which is not empty. Not empty directories. Next, -r represent recursive. -f represent force. Rm space -r data2. So it is asking descend into directory kind of stuff. I put a cancel, Control C. I'm canceling this process. I put F instead of that one. Okay. So then F, then it will delete. So data2 is deleted. Okay. Sometimes you don't need to ask, it won't ask anything. Sometimes it will ask. So that's the difference. Okay. If in case, if this is showing something, these question marks, you can cancel it or you can continue by pressing yes or no kind of stuff. Otherwise, Control C to avoid that part. Okay, so this is, you can use F for a forcible kind of stuff. Okay, so this is directory creation, mkdir. How to remove directory, rm for a dir for a removing empty directories, rm space -r for a directory contain something. So this is about your commands, guys. So what we are discussed, how to create a file. First of all, how to create a file. Next one is how to create a file. Wildcards also we discussed. Wildcards also we discussed. How to create a directory. Okay. How to remove files. How to remove directories. How to remove directory which contains something. Okay. Any doubts or anything? Okay. That's it for today, guys. Try it, complete it by 6:30.